Welcome to the Tossie Advisory Group channel, where we believe you are not as broke as you think. If you're an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, a DoorDash or Grubhub delivery partner, or someone delivering groceries for Instacart or Uber Eats, this message is for you. Because I know you felt it, the long hours, the grind, the miles on your car, and the sense that you're just making enough to survive. But here's the truth, you're not as broke as you think. You actually have money. Sometimes it's in the form of cash tips, sometimes it's in small daily savings, but it's money that can be redirected to build ownership in the very companies you work alongside. Let's start with Uber and Lyft. Every day you're driving customers to work, school, or the airport. You collect fares and many days you pick up tips. It might only be $5, $10, or $15 here and there, but tips add up. If you averaged just $10 a day in tips, that's $300 a month, or $3,600 a year. Most drivers spend that money on gas station snacks, fast food between rides, or energy drinks to stay awake. But what if you redirected even half of it? That's $150 per month that could go straight into fractional shares of Uber, Lyft, or even other companies you know and interact with daily. Uber Technologies is currently trading around $98.51 per share. Lyft is trading around $22.58. With $150 a month, you could buy over 1.5 shares of Lyft, or almost 2 shares every single month. Or you could buy 1.5 shares of Uber every month. Over a year, that's 18 shares of Uber or more than 20 shares of Lyft. And remember, you don't have to buy a whole share at once. With fractional investing, you can start with as little as $5 or $10. Now let's look at food delivery. DoorDash is currently trading around $265 per share. At first glance, that seems expensive, but with fractional shares, you can own a piece with just $20 or $50 at a time. Imagine setting aside just 1 or 2 of your daily tips each week. Over a month, you could accumulate almost a full share of DoorDash. In 5 years, those small, consistent contributions could turn into a portfolio worth thousands. And let's not forget grocery delivery. Grocer is one of the largest grocery chains in the country, trading around $65 per share. Every time you shop there for a delivery, you could also invest in the company itself. With the same $150 a month, you could own 2 shares of Grocer every single month. That's 24 shares in a year. Over 5 years, that's more than 100 shares in a company that pays dividends and grows steadily. This is why I created my book, Stock Investing for Poor People 30-Day Book Journal. It's designed to help you take these small amounts, your tips, your savings from cutting unnecessary expenses, and even money from side hustles, and direct them into investments. The book is not just a guide, it's a daily accountability partner. Every day for 30 days, you track what you saved, what you invested, and what you learned. By the end of 30 days, you'll see your first investments clearly documented. By the end of 90 days, you'll see real patterns. And by the end of a year, you'll see that what once looked like pocket change is now ownership in companies that are household names. Think about the daily habits that drain your money without you even realizing it. 2 gas station coffees a day at $3 each. That's $6 daily. Add in a fast food lunch for $10 and you're at $16 a day. Multiply that by 230 workdays and you're at $3,680 per year. Add in the average smartphone lease at $32 per month and you're at more than $4,000 in annual spending that doesn't build wealth. Cut that in half and you've freed up $2,000 a year, or $169 a month for investing. That's money that can go into fractional shares of Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or Grocer. It could also go into broader investments like ETFs or dividend-paying stocks. The key is to stop thinking, I don't have money to invest, and start realizing, I do have money, I'm just spending it in the wrong places. The best part is that you can do all of this from your phone. Apps like Webull, Robinhood, and Charles Schwab all allow you to buy fractional shares with no minimums. That means while you're waiting for your next ride request, or sitting outside a restaurant waiting for your DoorDash order, you can pull out your phone and invest in less than a minute. No excuses. No delays. Ownership is literally at your fingertips. Imagine redirecting just one $5 tip per day. In a month, that's $150. In a year, that's $1,800. In 5 years, that's $9,000 invested without touching your main wages. That's the power of discipline, consistency, and fractional investing. Stock investing for poor people. 20-day book journal exists to give you the structure to do this every single day. It's not just theory, it's practice. It's pen to paper. It's turning random spending into repeatable investing. And once you combine the journal with the Tossie Advisory Group premium website, you gain access to robust tools, stock literacy training, pre-market Sunday sessions, live coaching, and strategies that help you invest on your budget, anytime and any place. And right now, you can take advantage of a free 7-day trial at tossieadvisorygroup.com. This trial complements the book perfectly, letting you see in real time how to apply what you're journaling, while also demystifying investing for people just like you. Check the description for the free trial code and get started today. Here's what I want you to take away. The gig economy is unpredictable. Some weeks you're busy, other weeks are slow. Gas prices change. Customers tip differently. But investing is steady. It doesn't require perfection, it requires consistency. Even on your busiest weeks, you can redirect just a few tips. Even on your slowest weeks, you can invest $10. Over time, that discipline builds into wealth. So here's your action plan. Step 1. Pick up Stock Investing for Poor People. 30-day book journal and commit to 30 days of tracking. Step 2. Download an investing app like Webull, Robinhood, or Schwab and buy your first fractional share. Step 3. Reinvest at least one tip per day. Step 4. Join Tossie Advisory Group and start your free 7-day trial using the code in the description to connect with a community of drivers, workers, and everyday people building wealth together. You don't need thousands to begin. You don't need to quit your job or work double shifts. You just need to redirect what you already have into ownership. You already work for Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Grubhub, and grocery stores. Now it's time to own them. Remember, you are not as broke as you think. You are one choice away from ownership, one choice away from building wealth, and one choice away from creating a legacy for yourself and your family.